At this point, I believe that most of us have a clear understanding how to do with a mapping. So the first question is that which type of mapping is this? Now, we are not more interested in the type of mapping. The question we are asking in this video is which problem or what kind of problem can I use this method to solve? You see, let's say on a day one, you manage to make a savings or maybe a purchase of, just say this is going to be $1, right? So a dollar per day on the second day. So that is on the first day. On the second day, on the day two, then you go on bankrupt of $2. So you have a debt on your credit card of $2 here. So on the third day, it means that you are going on a debt of $5, and then on the fourth day here, you are going on a debt of $8. Is that okay? What will happen if this thing persists, right? So continuously on the 10th day, what will be the amount that you are owing on your credit card? So that's the question we are asking in this video. So for you to have a better understanding, join us on the channel.